Welcome to Dream on Wheels, and today we're exploring a model that takes that idea even further. Introducing the LMC I 745 Explorer Sport line, a motorhome designed to combine space, modern design, and long-distance comfort into one complete travel solution. In this full tour, we'll explore everything, from its bold exterior design to its spacious interior, kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and the overall experience it offers on the road. From the outside, the I-745 Explorer Sport line makes an immediate statement. This is a fully integrated motorhome, and that alone gives it a more unified and premium appearance compared to traditional campervans. The front design flows seamlessly into the body, creating a clean and modern look. The styling leans slightly toward a sportier feel. With sharper lines and a more dynamic presence, it looks refined but also confident. The size is clearly larger than a standard campervan, and that translates directly into more interior space along the sides. Multiple storage compartments are integrated into the body. These are essential for longer journeys. Allowing you to carry everything from travel gear to outdoor equipment, the entry door is wide and easy to access, making everyday use simple and convenient. Large windows run along the sides, bringing in natural light and helping the interior feel more open. At the rear, the design remains clean and functional, maintaining the balance between style and practicality. Step inside, and the first impression is all about space. This is where the integrated design truly makes a difference. The interior feels open, structured, and much closer to a small apartment than a vehicle. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to become part of a large lounge area. Combined with additional seating, this creates a proper living space. Not just a compact sitting area, the dining table is centrally placed, offering enough room for meals, work, or extended time indoors. Everything feels well balanced, nothing feels cramped. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior during the day, enhancing the sense of openness in the evening. Ambient lighting creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere. This is a space designed for real living. Moving into the kitchen, the focus is on practicality and comfort. The countertop offers enough space for proper meal preparation, something that becomes important during longer trips. You get a well-integrated cooking area with a stove and sink. Positioned for ease of use, storage is a major strength here. Multiple drawers and cabinets provide space for utensils, groceries, and everyday essentials. Everything is arranged logically, making it easy to access what you need. A large refrigerator adds another level of convenience, allowing you to store fresh food for extended travel. This kitchen is designed for real use, not just occasional cooking. The bathroom setup in the I-745 Explorer Sport line is designed for comfort and usability. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a separate shower area. The separation makes a noticeable difference. It allows for better movement and a more comfortable experience during daily routines. The layout feels practical and well thought out. Storage compartments provide space for toiletries and personal items. Having a bathroom like this on board adds a high level of independence and convenience. At the rear, the sleeping area offers a comfortable and private space. The bed is spacious and well designed, giving you enough room to relax without feeling restricted. The mattress provides good support, helping ensure proper rest after a long day. What stands out is the sense of separation. This area feels like its own space, not just part of the main interior. Storage is integrated around the bed, including overhead cabinets and additional compartments. Everything is placed in a way that keeps the area organized without clutter. This is where the motorhome truly starts to feel like a home. Moving into the cockpit, the design continues the premium feel. The driver and passenger seats are well padded and ergonomically shaped, offering strong support for long journeys. The dashboard is modern and clean, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation, media, and connectivity features. Large panoramic front windows provide excellent visibility, helping maintain confidence while driving. Once parked, The seats rotate to become part of the living area, adding versatility to the space. What makes this motorhome stand out is how complete the experience feels. It's not just about features, it's about how everything works together. You have space to live, space to relax, and space to travel comfortably. Everything feels more natural, more effortless, and that changes how you experience the journey. The LMC I 745 Explorer Sportline is designed for those who want more than just mobility. It's built for comfort, space, and a more refined way of traveling. The LMC I 745 Explorer Sportline delivers a travel experience that feels spacious, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed throughout. It's a motorhome that focuses not only on features, but on how those features improve everyday life on the road. If you enjoyed this tour, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more detailed campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.